Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. The 21st video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is the double, top and bottom patterns and how to identify them. But before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. Double top and double bottom patterns help us identify possible trend reversals in the market. Double top and bottom patterns typically evolve over a longer period of time and do not always present an ideal vision of a pattern because the shifts in prices don't necessarily resemble a clear M or W. Double top and bottom patterns are formed from consecutive rounding tops and bottoms, and these patterns are often used in conjunction with other indicators since rounding patterns in general can easily lead to fake-outs or mistaking reversal trends. A double top pattern is formed from two consecutive rounding tops. There is one in here and second in here. The first rounding top forms an upside U pattern, and rounding tops can often be an indicator of a bearish reversal as they often occur after an extended bullish rally. If a double top occurs, the second rounded top will usually be slightly below, or in this case above. Double tops can be rare occurrences with their formation often indicating that investors are seeking to obtain final profits. If the formation occurs, our take profit level should be approximately the height between these tops and these bottoms. So after the breakout, my first take profit level would be right at this area, and double bottom patterns are essentially the opposite of double top patterns. Results from this pattern have the opposite inferences. A double bottom is formed following a single rounding bottom pattern, which can also be the first sign of a potential reversal. Rounding bottom patterns will typically occur at the end of an extended bearish trend. The double bottom formation constructed from two consecutive rounding bottoms. So in most cases, after a bearish trend, the price comes to a certain support level for a reversal or consolidation, which forms our first bottom, and then we have the second bottom in here. So this point is our neckline. This is where we should enter, and if we put trend line in this area, after that breakout, our take profit level should be here. A double bottom formation will typically indicate a bullish reversal, which provides an opportunity for investors to obtain profits from a bullish rally. But as the market is often too volatile, it is highly suggested to use other indicators and always keep an eye on the market. Essentially, just like the other formations, double and triple top and bottom formations are quite efficient regarding identifying breakout points and take profit levels. And that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.